Did you know eBMUD customers can access their water use information online in eBMUD's My Water Report portal? If you're following along, assessing the portal works best on a desktop browser. First, log into ebmud.com and select Sign In at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Don't have an ebmud.com account yet? Check out this video for instructions on how to create one. Once you're logged in, select See Your Water Report from the main account page. If this is your first time using the report portal, you will have to accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. Next, select Track at the top menu bar. Once you're on the Track page, if you see a billing consumption overview graph with no additional tabs, this means you have a meter that is read manually by a meter reader at the end of every billing period. The overview section of the Track page is helpful to get a sense of water use trends over time, such as summer versus winter water usage. Change the desired date ranges by moving the sliders at the bottom of the graph or by selecting a date range at the top right of the graph. Scroll down further on the Track page for additional helpful information, such as year-over-year water use comparison and long-term water use tracking. The long-term use tracking graph can help you stay on track with efficient water use. Click on the Recommended Actions button for helpful strategies to conserve water. Customers can also set communication preferences by going to the Settings menu bar and selecting Communication Preferences from the drop-down. Customers can also sign up for leak alerts and use notifications that will typically arrive 2 to 3 days after receiving a bill. For each of the alerts, you can also decide if you prefer to receive an email, text, or voice robocall. All alerts will be sent to the primary contact info you set for the account at ebmud.com. Customers can also download their water use data. Under Settings, select Download Your Data from the drop-down. Please note that selecting billing period data automatically gives you the gallons per day, per billing period, going back to the start of the account. Note that data for all linked accounts will download in one spreadsheet. Users cannot customize the download date range for either option. Want real-time water use information and leak alerts all before you get your bill? Check out eBMUD's Flowmeter rebate. These devices can be installed within minutes and allow you to monitor your water use down to a fraction of a gallon. Have more questions about using the My Water Report portal or about data-related details? On the homepage, scroll to the bottom and select Help and FAQs. Need help? Email water conservation at ebmud.com or call eBMUD customer service at 1-866-403-2683.